This right here is an interference HyperShift. Do you know what happens if you push an interference style pearl too far? You ruin your project. It starts to white out, it starts to get pastel, all saturation and shifts go right out the window. Or does it? We know for a fact that happens with regular interference style pearls and color shifts. There's no doubt we've been there. But does it happen with interference HyperShifts? Gabe and I have been going back and forth a little bit on this topic, and the truth is we don't know. But there's one way to find out, and that is to push this pearl. We're not using 5 grams a gallon today like normal. We're not using 10 grams a gallon. We're not even going 12.5. We are going to triple the highest amount of pearl that we've ever used with an interference style HyperShift and go 37.5 grams. Are we setting ourselves up for a disaster? Gabe?
Most likely.
Most likely. Here's what ZGT HyperShift looks like in powder form. It's a yellowish, whitish powder. But it shifts from
ideally greens, maybe some golds, purples, blues.
We're not exactly sure.
Yeah.
But here's the question. When we do 37.5 grams per gallon and we stack not 3, but 4, maybe even 5 coats on top of this gorgeous light blue base, are we going to end up with one of the wildest, most intense shifting effects that we've ever had on this channel? Or are we going to be in the outro going, well, we made a huge mistake? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let me show you a little bit of this ZGT real quick over the stick of truth. We've got, like Gabe said, we've got some greens, we've got some golds, we've got some blues, maybe some purples. This could be one of the most exciting shifting projects that we've ever done. Prediction?
I just hope we don't overdo it.
We're gonna overdo it. Let's go. Now, every other time we've used interference or white powder HyperShifts in the past, it's been the same routine. Low pigment load, just a couple of coats for a mild effect. That's really all we thought we could get out of pearls like this, and if we wanted a high saturation or crazy transition, we would have to go with a color powder HyperShift. But today was all about finding out if we could push interference HyperShifts way further than we thought. We used more than 3 times the pigment load that we would normally use on a project like this, and the results speak for themselves. I'm going to take the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at this color and leave a comment below and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. If you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, your whole car, all of our DIY kits are right here for you in one place. And I will say this project today opens up a massive opportunity for the future. I can't wait to see what color combos we can come up with now that we know how to properly utilize these pearls. Had so much fun on this project. I know Gabe did too. Hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.